we know that cells have different levels of organization: cell level, tissue level, organ level, and complex level. And that this complexity varies, that cell is simpler than system. So we want to look at the advantages and disadvantages of having complex body and having simple body. Let's go through some example questions based on this topic. Example 1. Amoeba relies on simple diffusion to get oxygen to all parts of its body because A, it has large area volume ratio, B, it has small area volume ratio, C, it has complex cytoplasm, and D, it has a permeable cell membrane. Now, the concept here is whether the body can rely on simple diffusion to get what it requires to all parts of the body. And the concept that answers that question is having large area volume ratio, which is A. So the answer to example 1 is option A, having large area volume ratio. Example 2. What is the area to volume ratio of hexagonal cube which its sides are 3 centimeters? Now, the size of the cube is 3 centimeters, having 6 sides. Now, this is 3 centimeters, this 3 centimeters, this is 3 centimeters. So all sides 3 centimeters is a cube. Now, the area is given as 6 sides times A square, where A is the length of the side. Therefore, area is equal to 6 times 3 cube, 3 square centimeter square. This will give us 3 times 3, 9. 9 times 6, 54 centimeter square. Now, the volume is giving us A cube or L cube. We'll define the meaning of A, and this will give us 3 cube centimeter, which gives us, that is 3 centimeter times 3 centimeter cube. This is what we're talking about. That's 3 times 3 times 3 centimeter cube. And this will give us what? 9 times 27. 9 times 3, 27 centimeter cube. So the area volume ratio, area is 54, volume is 27. That will give us 2. So answer is B. Example 3. Which of these organisms requires an excretory structure rather than rely on simple diffusion to get rid of excretory products or excretory wastes? A. Paramecium, B. Hydra, C. Tapeworm, D. Udogonium. Now, it's a simple body organism that will require simple diffusion for distribution of material or removal of waste from the body. But a complex body will require a excretory system or excretory structure. So Paramecium is a single cell organism, so simple diffusion is okay. Hydra is a tissue level of exists as tissue level. Udogonium is just like our Spirogyra, a cell that is linked to one another. But here we're talking about tapeworm with different structures. So this is of more complex body. So the answer to question 3 is option C, tapeworm. Example 4. In which of the following organisms is the body tissues are expected to be specialized? A. Bacteriophage, B. Clostridium, C. Agama, D. Plasmodium. Go back to the question. In which of the following organisms is the body tissues are expected to specialize? You have specialized tissues or organs when there is division of labor in the body system. And division of labor comes about when you have a complex body. Now, looking at option A, bacteriophage is just a virus. Option B, Clostridium is a bacterium. Option D, Plasmodium is a protozoa, which is a parasite, malaria parasite. C, Agama is a reptile, having higher body complex. So the one in which we want or we see tissues and organs specialized is in Agama, where we have the brain performing its work, we have the skin performing its work, the kidney, and so on. So answer to question 4 is option C, Agama. Example 5. The involvement of transport system in Ratus ratus is to ensure that A, the cells that are located in the same portion of the body receive nutrients. B, the cells that are far apart come together. C, the cells that are far apart are supplied with essential materials to survive. And D, the cells are quite isolated. Now we're talking about having transport system, that security system in Ratus ratus. Ratus ratus is a rat, which is a mammal. We have transport system to be able to transport material around the body and take it to every cell in the body. So which of the options explain or agree with this explanation? It could not be cells located in the same portion alone that will receive nutrients. And it will not be that the cells that are far apart can come together. That is not the purpose of circulatory system. And of course, it's not the purpose of transport system for the cells to be quite isolated. Answer to example 5 is option C, which is the cells that are far apart are supplied with essential materials to survive.